Your brain isn't broken. It's been hijacked by constant notifications, endless scrolling, and micro-dopamine hits. But here's the truth. You can rewire it for deep, unshakable focus. And it starts today. Right now, your brain is stuck in scattered mode. Every ping, buzz, or swipe trains your neurons to expect distraction. Over time, your attention span shrinks. You can't stay in flow because your mind is addicted to jumping from one thing to the next. That's not laziness, it's conditioning. Most advice tells you to just block distractions. But that's like telling an addict to just say no while keeping the drug in their pocket. You can't force focus, you have to rebuild it from the ground up. That means retraining your brain's reward system. Set up 90-minute deep work blocks with no phone, no notifications, no tabs, except the one you need. Before you start, put your phone in another room, not silent mode, physically away. This removes the constant check loop that kills focus. You're removing the poison before you start the cure. Focus isn't a gift, it's a muscle. Start small. Even 25 minutes of undistracted work signals to your brain, this is important. Over time, your prefrontal cortex strengthens. Your brain stops craving novelty every 30 seconds and starts craving progress. Right now, your brain is wired for instant gratification. Flip the script. Delay your dopamine. Finish your deep work block. Then reward yourself. Walk, coffee, a short scroll. This rewires your brain to link satisfaction to focus, not distraction. Focus isn't just mental, it's environmental. Clean your desk, close the extra tabs. Keep only what you need in sight. Every object in your field of view is either a tool or a trigger. Remove the triggers. After a few weeks, you'll notice something. Tasks that once felt impossible now flow. Hours pass without the urge to just check. Your brain feels sharper, calmer, stronger. This is what it feels like to be in control again. We live in a world designed to steal your focus. Rewiring your brain isn't just self-improvement, it's rebellion. And every rebel needs a cause worth fighting for. If you're ready to fight back, to take your mind from the system that owns it, join NovaForge. Link in description. We don't sell hype. We build heroes.